for under $200. It just kind of makes sense. Hi guys, we are out here working in the garage on our rally Jeep for the Rebel Rally this year. We've driven this around a couple of times and realized that our headlights are really, really bad. Fogged over and they're very dim at night. We had a company reach out to us. Superi asked us to try out their headlights. We thought, hey, why not? The headlights that they sent to us are a 7-inch LED headlight. It's around $140. All right, looking through the user's manual, they do give you really good instructions on how to install. They are DOT certified with around 4,600 lumens on regular beam and then just over 7,000 on high beam. We'll get you a close-up of the lights. So here's the lights here. They have a really nice weight to them. They feel sturdy. They don't feel cheap and chintzy. So we'll go ahead and give you a look at what these lights look like once we get them installed. Alright, so this plug obviously doesn't fit the JK plug, but they do give you a little pigtail so you can make the connection. Plug her in there and plug this guy in. There we go. One on, just to see the difference between the two. Alright, before I get my grill installed, I'm going to go ahead and check my headlights to make sure they both work. So just a couple of things. If you keep watching, I'll go ahead and show you how these work at night. The install for these were pretty easy. Only took about 15, maybe 20 minutes. For under $200, why wouldn't you replace the crappy OEM lights?
I kind of like it. Gives you a nice solid ledge. Let's go out on the road and take a look here and see what they look like. Backing out onto the street here. And that's the low beam. Go ahead and hit the high beam real quick.
Totally brighter than the stock ones you had on here. The foggy, nasty OEM